How to find message requests notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find message requests notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and then just click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click these three lines in the top and then settings. Now click notifications, and as you see here you will see this one, direct messages and calls. Click on it. Now as here you can see this one, message requests, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.